We all hold on to something, a memory, a mistake, a person, or a dream that didn't go the way we wanted. Sometimes we think that by holding on, we protect ourselves. But in truth, we only make the pain last longer. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means giving yourself permission to live again. Because moving on is not weakness. Moving on is freedom. There was a young woman named Sophia. She had a dream to study abroad and start a new life. For years, she worked hard, saved money, and practiced English every day. But when the time finally came, things didn't go as planned. Her visa was denied. Her dream, the one she had carried in her heart for so long, suddenly disappeared. Sophia felt lost. She stopped studying English, stopped making plans, and started doubting herself. She said, "Maybe it wasn't meant for me. Maybe I'm not good enough." Days became weeks, and weeks became months. Her dream felt far away, and her heart felt heavy. She held on to her disappointment, replaying the moment she received that email, the one that said, "We're sorry." Every time she thought about it, she felt the same pain again. One evening, Sophia went for a walk near her house. It was raining softly, and the air smelled like new beginnings. She saw a little boy trying to fly a paper kite. The wind was too strong, and the string broke. The kite flew high into the sky and disappeared behind the clouds. The boy stood still for a second, and then he smiled. He ran home laughing. Sophia was confused. Why is he happy, she thought. He just lost his kite. But then she understood something. The boy wasn't sad because he lost something. He was happy because he was free to create something new. That night, Sophia sat in her room thinking about the kite. She realized that she had been holding on to her disappointment so tightly that she couldn't see new opportunities. She wrote in her notebook, "It's time to let go. It's time to move on." The next morning, she opened her English books again. This time, she didn't study to escape her life. She studied because she wanted to grow. She started taking online classes, meeting people from other countries, and improving little by little. She stopped asking, "Why did this happen to me?" and started asking, "What can I learn from this?" And soon, something inside her began to change. She applied for a different program in another country. She didn't expect much, but she wanted to try again. Weeks later, she received an email. "Congratulations, Sophia. You've been accepted." She couldn't believe it. Her dream had returned, not the same as before, but better. In that moment, she understood the truth. She didn't lose her dream. She just had to make space for a new version of it. Moving on is not about forgetting the past. It's about accepting that the past is gone and the future is waiting. When we hold on to pain, we carry invisible chains. They keep us stuck in the same story. But when we decide to move forward, we break those chains and walk freely into a new chapter. Maybe you lost a dream, a relationship, or an opportunity. Maybe you feel like you're starting from zero. That's okay, because starting over means you're still alive, still learning, and still capable of more. Think about this. Every ending gives you the space to begin again. The person you become after letting go is stronger, wiser, and freer than before. When Sophia let go, she didn't erase her past, she used it as fuel. She learned that failure wasn't the end, it was the redirection she needed. And you? Maybe you are holding on to something right now. A moment that hurts, a mistake you can't forget, or a dream that feels broken. But what if you decided to let it free, like that kite? What if you stopped asking, "Why did this happen to me?" and started asking, "What can I do next?" Moving on is not easy. It takes courage to leave behind what once made you feel safe. But you'll never see new doors if you keep staring at the ones that closed. The truth is, freedom doesn't come when everything is perfect. It comes when you choose to move forward, even when your heart still hurts a little. Sophia's story reminds us that life keeps moving even when we feel stuck. Pain fades, dreams evolve, and when we choose to move on, we make space for something new, something better. The past may have shaped you, but it doesn't define you. You are free to begin again. So today, don't just think about freedom, live it. Let go of what weighs you down. Take one brave step forward. Because in the end, moving on is not just an act, it's the key to your freedom.
Thank you so much for practicing English every day with us here on your favorite YouTube channel. If you'd like to keep learning and practicing, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share your favorite part of today's listening practice in the comments. See you in the next video.